I'm very proud to be part of Neoss, the Neoss family. Our whole ethos is to provide innovative product in a simplistic way, and we call that intelligent simplicity.
A dental implant that we insert into our patient's jawbone and onto which we can attach a number of different things such as crowns, bridges, or even use them to anchor dentures. Dental implants are manufactured out of titanium, and it's based on the early research and literature where we found that titanium was biocompatible and accepted by the body.
The two founders of the company believed that they could streamline or rationalise the instruments that were needed in a dental implant surgery in order to create a more easy to use and simplified system that was adaptable to a multitude of treatment types.
That's why we started the company. I wanted to make something that was much more simple to use. Our competitors made assortments and solutions becoming more and more complex and expensive. With Neoss, we formed everything around one platform.
I treated actually the very first Neoss patient, which was treated 15 years ago, and I did some treatment on him quite recently. It's exactly the same products, and this is what we all want to have as clinicians. It's a treatment that will last for a lifetime, but we need to be able to support these patients over time and not having to bring in a new set of tools every time. So longevity is essential for us.
Our principles are based on providing very innovative product that is high quality and at a very affordable price for both the clinician and the patient. And the quality of our products and the performance has really underpinned that success that we've had over the last 20 years.
In addition to actually clamping the restorative parts to the implant, if you have a 6-unit or a 6-implant bridge, we clamp it together with 600 pounds. So it's a lot of force that we clamp our restoration to the implants with. This assures that we have a very stable connection between your prosthesis and the implant.
Simplicity is something that is of great importance when it comes to treatment of patients, especially in the dental field. And simplicity is something that you acquire by creating a very good rationale for your treatment in your practice, but it also goes very much hand in hand with having simplicity when it comes to the hardware.
One of the main things I search for and I look for in an implant system is simplicity and ease of use. When we're working in a clinical environment on patients, the situations can sometimes be fairly tense, fairly stressful and highly pressured, and a system which is simple, straightforward and easy to use minimises the risk throughout the clinical procedures, not only for us as dentists but also our assistants.
Neoss is at the forefront of how the dental implant market is changing. Digitisation, computerisation is changing how patients are treated. So rather than having impression material that is placed in a patient's mouth, we're looking to have scanners, digital scanners, that pick up the contours of the patient's teeth and also the requirements for restoration of an implant. Neoss is providing product that shortens that process and is at the forefront of that digitisation and computerisation.
We are able to take these digital impressions, which is both accurate, fast, and allows ongoing process to be conducted much more efficiently, which hopefully should take down the cost, both for the clinician but also for the patient. And I see this is not a 10 or 15 years, this is a 3 to 5 year development.
We also help to reinstall their self-confidence, and people who has really been socially isolated will come out in the society, and it's actually very, I would say, heart-moving, because in one of the clinics I worked, we have actually several wedding photos from patients that were completely isolated, and they have been able to come out in society again and actually meet a partner again. So there you really feel that this is not only about aesthetic, you really treat the entire human being with implants.